always thinking. I tell you what, this man never sleeps, he never rests. Right, I've still got in the fridge 3 bottles of my last batch, which was magnifique, but I still got the sample bottle, and I just opened that. You can't hear it now, but it had a nice little fizz to it. So right, just quickly, because I've got to add loads of videos together before I bottle the other stuff. I'm going to do. I've only got one litre bottle. Is that a litre? Yeah, a litre bottle. The rest are 500 mils. So I'm going to do 1 litre with. Oh, I was going to with the acid in it, but I'm just going to. I will, but I'm just going to do a little test. Oh, let's taste of this. It's fizzed up more. Oh, I don't know if you watch the other videos. I'm not kidding. That's cracking. Does that need anything else? But yeah, for the sake of science, I put. So you can hardly see that, I suppose. I've got my little syringe. It's been sanitized. So there you go. I'm putting less than 0.5. Oh, that's per litre, 0.5. Holy shit, hang on. What am I doing? Let's fill that baby up first. Oh, crikey, yeah, so was it 0.5 per litre? Hang on. Yeah, I think I was all right. It was 5. This whole thing is full up is 5 millilitres. That's for one of these, which I will do. So I'm just going to put. This is. Oh, I'll just do it again. Oh shoot, that's probably about 0.5 into that glass. So what would you say that's? Oh God. Oh yeah, that's probably 250 mil. So I'm being a bit conservative on that, so I could do a bit more, but I'm just going to go, let's have a look, let's show you do it. Plop, in she goes. Stirred, not shaken, because I haven't got the cocktail, what's name, doofer. Don't mess up my solution. So let's see, that is damn good cider on its own. Let's give it a proper old mix up, shall we? I was going to do. I bought a bottle of. Oh, don't drag on. Come. Can't taste any difference. Don't think I put enough in. Why would you want to change that? Is the old sun trying to come up? We've had. So I put another. So it's probably about just over 1 milligram I've put in of this malic acid into 250 of my lovely cider. Sorry, I feel like I'm degrading it here, but bollocks it, anyway, it's all goes. Come on, it's not right. So 5 mil for 1 litre of cider is supposed to give it a real zingy, appley, bang on test. Right, so what I'm actually, so with this should make it, I would say that's, I've probably done 2.5 millilitres of malic acid. Now I will still do a litre with 5 mil in, just and so we can have the comparison. But I think maybe I'm being a bit too conservative with it, or this solution may be. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Cut! Stupid old bastard. Oh my God. I've been putting water in my cider. No wonder it don't taste any fucking difference. What I did, I used this to clean out this with some star sand. Oh, you numpty. Right, back to the drawing board. Hang on. Oh God, what am I like? Oh, you senile old twat. Anyway, listen, that was water, just to, because I cleaned it with star sand, and then I just used this with to rinse this out. Then I meant to chuck that, and then so anyway, I've wolfed down that one, which was very nice. A little bit of star sand ain't gonna hurt me, is it? So right, I've nearly polished off the sample. So, oh, can you? Oh, dearie me. I don't know why I just suddenly thought, why isn't it? I was told it's really high power. Right, let's go back to the drawing board. I have got, right, so I won't put 1, I'll put 0.5. Right, so that's that. I can't believe I did that, dickhead. Oh, Jesus. Right, 0.5 of the, I shouldn't lick that because that's will fuck up the taste. Do you know, sometimes, what do you mean sometimes, but I think the missus is right. She thinks I'm losing it. Happy days. I think this might be a bit, Yep, there is a little bit there. Yep. Right, let's have a bit more. Another 0.5. So that would be 1 milliliter into this small whiskey glass. I wouldn't say it's improving the taste. It just gives it like a, you know, citrusy. I suppose if it's if you like that cider that you know, makes you pucker up, let's try a little bit more, a little drop, another drop. So this works out, I'll probably put about three milliliters in, where you're supposed to put 5 for a whole litre. So this is going to be, oh dear, yeah, this is going to be like sucking lemons. Not as let's go for it. So this, oh no, don't overdo it, might do my guts in. So I've probably, so if this was a litre, it'd be equivalent of putting, oh shit, twice the amount, so probably equivalent of putting 10 milliliters into 1 litre. I beg your pardon. But seriously, I don't think it's vastly changed the taste of what was already a stonking cider. Right, Jesus, this one's 10 minutes already. I did say I was going to do shorter videos, but what the hell. See you for the tasting of the apple and pomegranate. Oh, actually, I might just show you doing that 1 litre. Hold upwards.